Everyone wants to know that they are loved and appreciated. Encourage your partner and friends to follow their dreams, especially no one will. Find out a way to tell them how much they have mean to you, even if you have to do it casually or unconsciously.
Making someone happy just for the sake of it can be the most rewarding gift in this world, the most rewarding feeling in this world. Brightening up a person's day, it can be a friend or your waiter, can bring a good karma and give you a brighter day in your life. To make someone happy, you need to be just genuine, open and willingly to put in some effort to make something different. Number 1, be emotionally supportive. Everyone wants to know that they're loved and appreciated. Encourage your partner and friends to follow the dreams, especially you, no one will. Find out a way to tell them how much they mean to you, even if you have to do it casually or unconceptually. Another way to be emotionally supportive is to let your friends know when they are being self-depressed. If they are in a bad relationship, find a gentle way to discuss it with them. Whether or not they will listen is VIP to them, but at least you took the time to be honest. Number 2, cheer them up when they are down. Smile at them, and if you have a warm relationship with them, with that person, hug them. Do something fun like building a blanket fort, hosting a sleepover, or making silly putties, especially if you are too old for such things. Put together a little collection of adorable pictures, videos and gifts, and dare the person not to feel better after taking a look. Of course, being silly won't make a person happier in every situation, but it's worth a shot. Your friend will appreciate that you are really willing to put in a hard work to make him smile. If your friend is really sad, then sometimes the best way to cheer him up is just to be there for him, as a shoulder to cry on. Don't put too much pressure on yourself to come up with the ridiculous activity to make your friend feel better if the mood isn't right. Sometimes, even after lots of taking the hugs and cuddles, the person still will be in a bad mood. With certain types of people, it actually helps to get sad about them being sad. If they are the empathetic kind, it will drive them crazy to see you sad and they will try to fix it. And usually, when they do, their mood will improve as well, and sometimes more than that you yourself are capable of. Number 3, be a good listener. One easy way to make somebody feel appreciated and validated is to simplify and hear them out. Try to understand their thoughts and be in their stories. Ask thoughtful questions, don't interrupt, and if you don't understand something, say something instead of playing alone. You may have a friend who feels like he doesn't get enough attention and who really needs a kind ear. And you can make that person happier by being there and making an effort to really listen. To truly listen to your friend, turn your body towards him, make eye contact, and don't give unsolicited advice. Make your friends see that you're fully focused and are there to help make your friends' life better, not to pass judgment. Put your phone away when your friend is talking to you, talking to show that you are giving your friend the attention he deserves. You will need to make them happy by making them laugh, showing some kindness. Show them you are really sorry. They would be happy to be with someone, to make them comfortable. Or play something that they love and make them feel better.